Hi, everyone. I want to invite you to a very special webinar on the markets. It's with a company called Fineco. It's a large Italian bank. Yes, I'm getting speakers fees. That's why I started like this, but they're all going to charity. Let me tell you a bit about the bank and why I'm excited about it. Here we go. I can share that. It's one of Europe's largest banks. 1.3 million clients in Italy alone, 82 billion pounds in financial assets. It's got a UK headquarters and is regulated over here. The reason it particularly interests me is because their commitment to the United Kingdom came after Brexit. I'm delighted. It's a major financial institution, which reinforces London's place as a major financial centre. So I'm going to be talking about how to protect yourself and profit from a bear market, from a high inflationary market, or from a soaring stock market, because like everyone else, my crystal ball isn't quite as perfect as it should be. So I need to be able to protect myself from rising or falling markets, whatever the headwinds might be. And that's what I'm going to discuss. There's the link, alpeshpatel.com/Fineco. I hope you'll join me on that webinar. And as I said, I'm particularly proud to be giving this because of the size and scale of the institution and because it reinforces Britain's place as a global financial center as well. So it makes me proud to be able to do that. So like I said, hope you'll be joining me and I'll see you on the webinar. I'll be answering any questions you might have, as well as giving a very, very detailed analytical look, not just from my own experiences, but those from other major institutions in terms of how I see the next 12 months rolling out. Thank you very much.